From personal data breaches in Gucci to celebrity brands getting shut down, the chaos, the creativity, and everything in between. We'll discuss it in this week's finest and wildest fashion stories or news around the world. My name is Rupanjay Kumar and I welcome you to Renaissance Solocast. The whole video is divided into two different parts, the international news around fashion and the national news around fashion. So let's start. We'll start with the international news first. Jaden Smith, the son of Will Smith, is the brand new and the first ever creative director for Christian Louis Vuitton. Christian Louis Vuitton is a brand which is popular for its spiky shoes and its red bottoms. Now, he's just 27 and he would be presenting his very first collection in January of 2026 and a full-size collection at Paris Fashion Week next year. He has created a fashion brand for himself called Misfits. It's a creative brand. Now let's see how he brings that creativity to the legendary house Christian Louis Vuitton. Now, the next news is coming from Skin, a beauty line by Kim Kardashian. It has officially closed and it is under Skims now. Skims is a shapewear and a fashion brand that Kim Kardashian owns, is pretty popular and is a billion-dollar company right now. Skims is planning to open its full-size beauty line by 2026. Let's see how it performs there. Now, the next news could be pretty scary to listen to, but hackers have stolen personal data of around 7.4 million clients from brands like Gucci, Balenciaga, and Alexander McQueen. No financial data has been leaked yet, but a parent company like Kering, who is the parent company of all of these brands, should also focus on cybersecurity as much as they do for fashion. Because leakage of these data like this could lead to a bad image of a brand before hopping on into the collaboration world of fashion, international fashion में. I wanted to discuss about एक interesting news जो मेरे पास आई and I felt that including this would at least get you guys going कि क्या और भी चल रहा है, interesting parts भी हम discuss करना चाहते हैं, right? So, the news is mainly about Harper's Bazaar. ठीक है, Harper's Bazaar is a weekly women's magazine which is released in US and is based out of US. तो इसका जो logo है Harper's Bazaar का was used for a Vietnamese event. Crystal Waters is a artist based out of US itself. She was promoting her Vietnamese cover and was using Harper's Bazaar का logo इसमें. And she organized an event based on this. But everyone thought कि the event is organized by Harper's Bazaar and Harper's Bazaar का नाम बहुत ज़्यादा है. So everyone was pretty excited about the event. But Harper's Bazaar snapped in and it said that the event is not ours and it's a fake promotion of sorts. Now Harper's Bazaar is dragging the whole brand and everyone involved in this into the courts. So this was an interesting news I felt that I should talk about. So this was the end to the segment. Now we'll discuss about the collaborations of the week in the next segment. Now let's talk about the collaborations of the week जो इस हफ्ते हुई हैं या इस हफ्ते tease हुई हैं. So the very first news is about CPFM x Nike. Cactus Plant Flea Market. That's the full form of CPFM. The brand is creatively very good, right? It plays with colors and extended looks. दोनों साथ में चलती है इनकी. The previous collaboration that they did with Nike, they've already done a collaboration with Nike by the way. वो collaboration बहुत ही ज़्यादा successful थी in terms of creativity. I don't know about the revenue part of it, but it was very successful creatively. Now they've come up with the SB Dunk lineup, which is called Swamp Sponge. It is available for $155 और ये online raffle में बेच रहे हैं बस Nike के website पे. It has launched in the New York Fashion Week. You can get your hands into it. If you get your hands into it, please do let me know and वो Instagram पे आप मुझे share कर सकते हो because I want to look on feet looks कि कैसा आता है वो on feet. If you want something unique, if you want something great with fabric because इन्होंने जो fabrics के साथ खेला है, it's great to see. Now, the next big collaboration that has been announced this week is between two of the most famous American brands, Supreme and Dickies. Supreme is one of the brands which is most popular for its streetwear looks and streetwear fashion. It's pretty dead now. The collaboration with Dickies, which is popular for its workwear jackets and workwear specifically. So both of the brands have two different aesthetics, but they have collaborated. And now, what could we expect from this collaboration? The brands have teased reversible fox leather jackets, cargo pants, some trucker hats, and many more. The collection would be released worldwide on 18th of September, the day I am recording this video, and it would be released in Asia on 20th to 020th of September, which is the day this video gets released. So if you want, you could actually look into the collaboration and purchase it the day it gets released in India. The price would differ from some thousands to multiple thousands. So you could look into the collaboration and at least enjoy it. And that, my friends, was the end to the international news segment. अब हम बात करेंगे इंडियन फैशन न्यूज़ के बारे में. Unfortunately, we don't have many fashion news from India this week, but मुझे जो important लगेगा वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, right? So the very first fashion news comes from Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. They have launched a Gen Z focused fashion wear brand called OWND. It mainly focuses on budget friendly customers and trending items, which is like fast fashion. So they are direct competitors to Zudio because वो budget friendly भी हैं and they are focusing on fast fashion. Now let's see how it performs, because Zudio is super successful, and coming to a segment like Zudio could be a bit difficult for Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail and OWND, the brand itself. We'll see what they plan, because they have planned to open around 100 plus stores within an year of the launch. So let's see how it performs. And the next news is about a collaboration that has happened between Saurav Ganguly and Myntra. They have come up with a festive line called Sauragya. The collaboration mainly focuses on festive wear, which is kurta, sherwanis, and multiple type of embroidery items, basically in clothing itself. Let's see how the brand focuses and how the brand functions, because as I can see through the brand, it is mainly focused on the festivals that are upcoming in India. Now, that was it for the Indian news segment. Now let's talk about a few drops that are happening in India this week or the next week. The very first fashion brand that I wanted to talk about in this segment is Blue Orange. Blue Orange is one of the most popular, the creative and well-known brand in India. Now, Blue Orange is dropping its collection called Friday Dinner on Friday itself, which is September 19th, the day before you watch this video. You can actually go through their website and go through their Instagram page to look into the collaborations. I could see a lot of different colored t-shirts. You might look into the collection. If you like it, you can visit their stores, which is in Mumbai, in Delhi, and in Hyderabad. The next brand that I wanted to talk about in this segment is Outbreak Labs. It is an underrated, unique, yet experimental brand that India has. It mainly focuses on contemporary fashion, but the products that they launch are pretty creative and unique at the same time. They have dropped the part 2 of their fall winter 2025 collection. I feel you should go through their Instagram once. You will find some super experimental outfits in it, and you could probably buy it from their website and from their Instagram page as well. I feel they are pretty great at what they do, and I like their rusted collection that they experimented a few days ago. They have posted about it in one of their Instagram posts, and you can go through it as well. Launching its beauty line on October 2nd, they're launching 200 of its products which suits Indian skin tones and climate. I feel the collaboration could be very successful revenue wise. Let's see how it performs in India once it gets launched. अब इस वीडियो के भी कंक्लूड करने का टाइम हो गया है. सो आई होप यू डिड लाइक द वीडियो. प्लीज़ लीव अ लाइक बिलो एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना कमेंट जरूर डालना, क्योंकि दैट इज़ द वे आई गेट टू नो where I can improve or what I can do next, right? Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Apart from this, please follow me on Instagram. I don't say this much of things in a short duration of time, लेकिन कर लेना. The next video would be coming on Wednesday, which would be on an underrated topic. I hope you will like that video too. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.